Jacob Mantle. Feeling good or feeling bad about his next heat? We'll find out in only a moment. Here he goes. Look at him go!
That's one axle!
He must come closer.
Look at his form. Oh. He meant to
one,
do that.
one fall.
That's called dead dog.
That's called dead dog.
And he's back up. The dog is alive and well.
Oh!
Axel!
Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
To go and do the thing.
Let's see his emotions while the judges get their response.
I'll be the judge.
Right.
Really good about that. Technical elements. Where's one of my better runs here? Technical elements. 37.2.
Alright, 7.2. Alright. How about style?
Style. 50 out of 50.
And look at his face. Yeah! This is the face of a champion.
Deductions. 50. For the dead dog stunt. That was not part of your original routine.